Hey, good evening, my YouTube friends and family. It's Brian Kelly reporting to you from my kitchen table here in Garner, North Carolina. I am stuffed like a pig because I was out all day. I came home and my wife had made some like a tacos. Tacos. We had the tortillas. She made some like ground beef, onions, peppers, the black beans, cheese, sour cream, and she made some shrimp, and then she made some steak. So I just had like and plus we had some nacho chips, the whole 9 yards, and I fixed like two gigantic things. We call it the little I guess the tortilla things. They're like the like big flat things. So I stuffed it with all the good stuff, and it was so good. I get very emotional talking about food sometimes. But anyway, uh, I feel all right now. Actually, I it might be not, I'm probably hitting the sack pretty soon because that's some heavy food. It really put a toll on me. So we'll have to wait and see. But anyway, I wanted to do a real quick video, guys. I got this in the mail today. See, Brian Kelly, and it's from this person here. This person had he had I'm not sure if he got a postcard or what, but anyway, I think I mentioned this on another video before. He had called me and was real direct and like, I want to sign up for the program, and then I sent him an email, and the guy lives in Canada. I mean, he lives in Canada, and um, he was very adamant about this program. He said he'd seen the video, he really liked what I had to offer, and it's a fantastic, type of situation. So the best that he could do was he sent express delivery to myself as well as the guy who he got the ad from. And so of course, I got my money today. My money is only $10. He sent $10 from Canada, express mail. That's I was hoping he could do it like PayPal, that way he could save some money, but that's fine. That's how I want to do it. And then of course he sent $140 to a guy who is in the program who sent him the ad. So that's even better. So I got my $10, but someone else in the program got $140. And I tell you guys that this works. This is proof every day. People are signing up every day, and it's proof because what I tell people to do is just mail those postcards out. I know I sound like a broken record. I'm getting boring. I know. I'm getting boring, but you got to mail those postcards out, and then of course they look at the postcard, they watch the video time or two, then they pick up the phone and they call me. And what do? I close the sale on your behalf, and I have them send you the money, and they send you my $10. They send you your 140. Voila, that's it. Boom, boom, boom. I don't ever touch your money. The money does not come to me, it comes directly to you. I will have all of the recipients' contact information as far as how they want to receive their funds, whether it be, secondary priority mail, PayPal, Cash App, Western Union, however you want to receive your money, just tell me. I put all that information in the documentation so that when people call, I can just look it up real fast and I know, uh, you know, how you want to get paid, and so yeah, it's a really good situation. Really good situation. In fact, this afternoon, yeah, that's another story. This afternoon, I received a call from a guy, and where's he from? He was from somewhere in New York. Somewhere in New York. He's from, yeah, and he said that no, I'm sorry, not New York. He was from California. That's what it was, California. And he said he had received an advertisement from one of my guys. His name is Big Money Mike, and he said that he liked what he saw. He wanted to join on the spot. Okay, now you know, I tell people, I believe in speed, doing things the right way. If someone's going to join my business, then I want to make sure that they get their product and they can start right away. So here's how it worked. This guy called me. I found out, asked him what the PIN number was. He told me what the PIN number was. I looked in my database to find out how this guy, Big Money, might want to get paid. He said he could accept secondary priority mail with cash only, or he could accept Cash App. So I could accept Cash App as well. So I told a guy from California, I said, listen, Mike, he takes Cash App. Do you want to do Cash App? He said, oh yeah, sure, I'll do that, no problem. So he sent Mike a Cash App for $140, and he sent me a Cash App for $10. He screenshotted the $140 to prove that he actually sent it. I then got on Facebook Messenger to verify that Mike got his money. Mike said, yeah, I got my money, I'm happy. Boom, that was it. I then turned around and sent the guy from California through email all of his stuff. And so basically within 5 minutes, guys, 5 minutes maximum, this guy was in business. I gave him his, all of the emails, welcome package, including his PIN number. I told him the various ways that he can get started with, different places that he can get mailing lists, postcards, a whole nine. Everything was explained to him. Then he texted me back and said, thank you. I really do appreciate it. The information is very good. So, like I said, when you deal with me in this program, I don't mess around. I want looking for serious people. If you're serious and if you want to join, I get you started right away with no delay. So now this guy in California, he's got a bona fide business that he's marketing. So if he got someone got his PIN number tonight, they call me, guess what? He's gonna get paid. He's gonna get paid. So again, I don't mess around. This is a serious business, and if you're serious and you're dedicated and you can, mail out postcards consistently or place ads or send emails or whatever, however you want to advertise, it makes no difference. As long as you have your PIN number, you can direct people to the website, topsecretwealthplan.com, which takes them directly to a video that they can look at. That's all you have to do. That's all you literally have to do. All right. So with that being said, it's Friday night. I think the NBA playoffs are coming on. I'm gonna watch a little bit of that before I go to bed. I might fall asleep on it because I'm like really, really. My stomach is like gigantic right now because I'm like stuffed with tacos. But anyway, if you are interested in this program, feel free to give me a call. I would love to talk with you. For this video here, this is my PIN number, BDK1970. I can be your sponsor. I can help you out. I'm the owner of this program. And so I'll do whatever I can to assist you in any way so you can become successful, okay? So anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic Friday evening. Watch some basketball, watch a movie, just relax, man. Take it easy. It's the end of the week. Here in North Carolina, man, it's hot as a mug, man. Like this coming Wednesday, it's going to be 95 degrees. It's only like May. It's not even June yet. 95 degrees and humid. I'm like, are you serious? This is crazy. But my son's at the beach. I feel so bad. He's at the beach having a good time, and I'm stuck here. But that's fine. No problem. I'll do it some other time. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you have a nice evening. Bye for now.